Pabalik na kami. Magandang umaga. Pabalik na kami ng dito. Wow. Ang ganda ng ginawa dito. Diba? Yung mga pader. So ayun, maraming salamat Bustarga family. Thank you very much. Alarming, happy birthday. Ayun, solve naman yung mga lakad na puntahan namin. Masaya. Ayun naman, masaya. So ngayon, biyaheng Bicol kami. Pabalik ng Bicol. Punta muna kami ng airport. Natin si Winnie Ann. Kasi Nixie, pabalik naman sila ng Russia. Oh, tama ba? Russia ba? Ewan ko. Basta, Russia. See you later, guys.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. And I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Padre Pio. Kaya lang, walang puno oh. Walang puno. Wala akong parking. Try ko dun sa taas. Bababa na sila, andon na. Natouch ako kanina kay Winnie Ann, tsaka sa anak niya kay Nixie. Kasi si Nixie, dun sa Russia, Russia nga ba talaga? Hindi siya nakakapaglaro ng ganun, yung bardagulan. Hindi katulad dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, di ba? Yung mga bata talagang bardagulan yung laro, ang saya. Hindi niya nararanasan doon, kaya kanina, yun, umiiyak siya. I'm gonna miss you guys. Ganun talaga, pati si yung mama niya, si Winnie Ann, umiiyak. Ganun talaga, kasi ang asawa niya, taga doon, wala magagawa. Yan ang pinili niyang life. So, malungkot man, ganun talaga. Bagay, sanay na rin naman sila, pabalik-balik sila pag ganun pa ulit-ulit. Nagbakasyon lang kasi nga si Tita Winnie, may sakit. Yan, dinalaw, tapos sinamantala na rin yung ilang araw na nandito, almost one month. Sila na nandito, sinamantala na. Kanta yung mga kamag-anak, binisita, ganito, ganyan. Enjoy naman sila. Kaya masakit sa heart. Heart. Ay, grabe! Man! Oh my God! Paano na to? Yung tao dito sa Padre Pio, ang dami. Linggo kasi, yan, nagsabay-sabay na alternate yung ano nila, yung tawag dito. Nakakalimutan ko na pati. Yung misa alternate dun sa daanan ko kasi yung ano, dalawang chapel yung nadaanan. Pero sobrang daming tao. Yung katatapos lang ng mga misa, kaya ngayon traffic mga palabas na yan. Kasi mga kasama ko, nakita ko na magdidilig pa daw ng kandila, so sabi ko mag-chat na lang pag palabas kasi sobrang traffic dun sa labasan. Ewan, bakit ganito ka-traffic? Magtatanong pa ako kung bakit ganito ka-traffic na to, sobrang daming tao. Sobrang daming sasakyan, yung mga pamilya dito, bakasyon na, syempre. Ayan. Kaya, family day, Sunday family day. Alright.
Wow! Wow!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Wait for it. Here it comes.
Nasaan na tayo? Tabugol. Tabugol na daw kami. Ay nako. Grabe traffic. Ang sarap ng tulog ko. Masarap ba tulog nyo? Wala na pala akong kausap. Masarap tulog nyo, ate? Hindi.
Nagdadrive ako.
Ay, ikaw nagdadrive. Sarap ang tulog ko. Maulan.
Doon ikaw naman matulog.
Oh, man. Nilagod ako yung ginising. Dito na pala. Kain ulit. Food trip. Dan? Tulog.
Ayan mga chong, another mission accomplished tayo. Ang dilim, galing ako doon sa parking. Pinark ko si Brownie. Ay nako, kapagod. Traffic pa kanina. Grabe naman kasi yung traffic. Tapos yung daan, grabe, lubak-lubak. Kaya wala ang pagbabago dito sa daan papuntang Bicol. Kaya naman nakikilala ang Bicol na lubak-lubak yung daan. Parang sa may welcome, grabe na. Sobra na. Palitan na. Ay nako, hyper pa rin. Tapos na maghapon hanggang gabi magmamaneo. Ayun, salamat sa Diyos at nakauwi kami. Natapos yung obligasyon. Nakauwi kami ng safe. Si Jeffrey. Ano yan? Sardinas? Sana all may sardinas. Gutom na rin. Okay, may kanin pa dyan? Sa bahay kanin? Sige, sige. Oh my God! Natapos din. Doon ako, Jeff. Good night. Dandan haba ng tulog. Alam, dilim. Sige na nga mga chong. Hindi nyo naman ako nakikita. Bye!
Oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.